Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a reliable treadmill to kickstart your 2025 fitness goals, today's review of the Sportstech F17 is just for you. We'll dive into its key features, weigh the pros and cons, and help you decide if this machine is worth the hype. Let's jump right in. First, the Sportstech F17 is packed with impressive specs. It features a powerful 3.0 HP motor that reaches speeds up to 12 miles per hour, making it ideal for everything from brisk walks to high-intensity runs. The treadmill also offers an adjustable incline of up to 15%, which simulates outdoor terrain and helps build endurance. Plus, it comes with a vibrant LCD display that tracks your speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate, all while integrating seamlessly with popular fitness apps for customized workouts. Now, let's talk about the pros. One standout feature is its ultra-quiet operation. The motor runs smoothly without disturbing your household, perfect for early morning or late night sessions. The foldable design saves space, and the built-in Bluetooth connectivity allows for easy streaming of music or virtual training classes. It's also built with a durable frame that can support up to 300 pounds, making it a long-term investment for serious users. On the downside, there are a few cons to consider. The price is a major drawback, coming in at around $1,500, which might be steep for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while it's foldable, the overall size could be an issue in smaller apartments, and the cushioning on the deck isn't the best, potentially leading to joint strain during extended use. Some users have also reported that the incline mechanism feels a bit stiff at first. All in all, the Sportstech F17 is a solid choice for dedicated runners and fitness enthusiasts who want advanced features and reliability. If you're willing to invest in quality, this treadmill could elevate your home workouts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear breakdowns. Stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.